What's up, you guys? Welcome back, and welcome if you're new. In today's video, we're going to be installing something that's really cheap. It may be tacky to some of you, but in my thoughts, I think it's going to be awesome. This is going to be for anybody that does tailgating parties, anybody that goes camping, even for you guys that do overland. It's pretty awesome. One of you guys actually sent me this to go ahead and try out. It's really cheap, so if you guys do end up liking this install that we're about to do, it'll be in the description box below, so you guys can go ahead and purchase your own. Alright, you guys, so the install that I do have today, it's basically going to be cup holders for your bedside. These are super cheap, so if you do want to go ahead and purchase some, they will be in the description box below. Also stay tuned, because as I told you guys, I was going to be doing a giveaway, and whoever entered, today's the day for you guys to win it. So that was the Cali Raised Relay Bracket. If you guys don't win today's giveaway, don't worry, there's always going to be a lot more. So just stay until the end if you guys did enter, that way you know who won. So these things are pretty simple to install. So you open it up just like that, and as you can tell, it's a cup holder. One thing that I do like about this exact material, as you can tell, it blends in with the bed, so it's gonna look stock. That's awesome. I'm gonna place them, you can pretty much put these anywhere you want. You can put them here, you can put them there. I'm gonna go ahead and put it maybe in this section here, since it is at a slant. That way it's just not in the way of anything. If I ever do put anything back here, it won't get caught and rip off or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it here. To start off, of course, you have to open it. And as you can tell, there's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So a total of 6 holes. It does come with the hardware that you need to install it provided. So there's 6 screws in here. And there's also a double-sided 3M tape. So let's go ahead and do it, and then I'll show you how it looks once we're all done. So first thing you want to do is, it comes included. You're going to go ahead and get the 3M double-sided tape. Let's go ahead and stick it on right now. Of course, before doing so, whenever working with double-sided tape and sticking it onto a surface, you want to go ahead and get some alcohol and just wipe it down. I've done that already. Now I'm going to go ahead and stick this on. So now that we've put the double-sided tape on there, of course, before drilling anything, you want to go ahead and just kind of measure out where you're going to be putting it. I already pre-measured. As you can tell, there's holes already. So I'm going to go ahead and stick it there. Of course, if you do want to, you can go ahead and leave it without the screws. I don't recommend that, because if one day, say you're trying to put your beer on there and you're maybe drunk, it's going to seriously just rip off. So I'm going to go ahead and put the screws now. There's 6 that do come provided. So now that we're done with this side, let's go ahead and move on to the other side. It's going to be the same exact steps, and then I'll go ahead and show you how it looks when you put your little drinks on there. Just to show you guys how it looks when it's closed, of course it looks nice and clean. Like I said, it looks like if it belongs there, like if it's from the factory. Let's go ahead and check this side out as well. And now if you want to go ahead and open it, all you got to do is just pull it down, pop this up, go ahead and grab your brand new beer, go ahead and stick it in there. And now it's nice and secure. So like I said, if you do camping, overland, or just tailgate parties, anything like that, it's gonna come in handy. You can have one person there, and then of course yourself on the other side. So it's nice and easy. Pull down, pull up, just like that. Nothing too hard about this install. So if you guys liked today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch my older videos or any other videos that I post. If you guys can, please make sure to turn on that bell notification. That way you guys know when I do post a video. I try to post 2 times a week. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and now drink my water, and then I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Now on to the giveaway winner for the relay bracket holder. Let's go ahead and put this down and just show you just who won. As stated, I had told you guys, once we hit that 11,000 mark, that's when we announce the winner. So we've now hit it. Let's go ahead and scroll down. This is the video where I had done the giveaway. So thank you for everyone that did enter, and thank you for everyone that has been supporting. Let's go ahead and copy that link. I'm going to use the same website as always, which is commentpicker.com. It makes things a lot easier, and it picks a correct winner. Let's go ahead and input the URL of that video. Get the comments. So it says there's 76 correct comments that entered. Let's go ahead and start. Cross your fingers, you guys. Let's see who wins the Cali Raised Relay Bracket. All right, so there it is, Ryan Murphy. Go ahead and email me. It is in the description box below. I'll also pin a comment down below. Make sure to email me. Let me know you won. And yeah, there it is. Congrats, man. Thanks for it.